Let me ask you a question. Do you worry about how to improve your English? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hi, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the soft skills expert, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. One question I am regularly asked by participants during my session is, how do I improve my English? In this video, I will give you some effective ideas you can start using right away. Number 1. You need a very solid reason to learn English. Imagine how will your life change 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now if you improved your English. Number 2. You can also imagine the terrible things that will happen if you fail to speak English fluently. Imagine all the jobs you will miss. Number 3. Don't waste your time trying to speak English. You should spend all of your time either listening or reading. Number 4. You should read easy English novels. You can start with novels for children. Choose a book that interests you or it is something you are interested about. This will help you to build your vocabulary. Number 5. Watching English movies and serials with subtitles. Number 6. Listen to English songs and speak in English as much as you can with your colleagues, with your family members. Number 7. You can also join an English course and attend it regularly and keep doing your homework. Number 8. Read news articles every day. Number 9. Learn 5 new words every day and try to use them as much as you can. Number 10. You can practice making sentences with the words you have just learned. Number 11. Practice making a story with the new words you have learned. Number 12. Try to have a conversation with the new words you have learned. Number 13. Watch English news and try to follow their pronunciation. Number 14. Use Google Translate to learn new words and their pronunciation. So the fastest way to improve English is you should hear English, read English, speak English, write English, and sing English. By the way, do you have any suggestion on how to improve English? Yes? Then please put a comment below this video so that other viewers can also benefit from your ideas. Here's what I want you to do. Listen for 1 hour and read a novel for 1 hour. And if you practice this, I can guarantee that you will improve your English very soon. So, if you found this video useful, please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, personal coach, and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, take care.